Welcome back to history class, my chickadees. There once was a time when we did history and opera, and we had to sing everything like they do in an opera. And then I would ask a question, and my students would have to sing their answers. I'm not going to make you do that right now. This is why I miss school and being with you. Okay, so today, James Beckwourth's journey, part 2. Can you listen well? Can you follow along in a, what color is this? Pencil. Remember when we played that game? Hold it up, and Miss Caitlin would have to stare at it. What color is this? Your turn. What kind of green is this? There's regular old green. Can you see that? It says green. Oh, this way. Can you see that? Green. Maybe you can't. Can you see that? I don't know. That's funny. Green. Okay. All right, so you need History Activity Manual page 35, the one that we did on Tuesday with the red traced route. Okay, so you need to go find History page 35 right now. Go, 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 go find it. I found it. Here it is. So you need yours. Remember, we had to mark on the map what we thought James Beckwourth's journey was on part 1. So now I'm going to read you part 2 from later on in his life when he went on another exploration. Remember what the people said? Some people thought he was telling the truth, and some people thought he was, I hope you said, exaggerating. And the definition of exaggerating is to go beyond the truth. So the truth is there, but then we add some stuff to it to make it more exciting. So some people thought he was exaggerating and some people thought he was telling the truth. Okay, so here we go. I've got my exploration cap right here. And I've got my gingham explorers yippee-doo, which makes my outfit very loud. I hope you're enjoying all the clashing colors and the exciting clashing patterns of paisley and checkers. Here we go. I look really good. Hey! So, find this. Get a green colored pencil or green crayon. Green pen, no! Please, no. Colored pencil or crayon. All right, so find this. Find St. Louis. Find your compass, north, south, east, west, okay? Here we go. Beckwourth tells how he and the men of the Rocky Mountain Fur Company left St. Louis in early May of 1824. Okay. So they started at St. Louis. Find St. Louis with your green pencil this time. Green pencil, put your pencil on St. Louis. Beckwourth tells how he and the men of the Rocky Mountain Fur Company left St. Louis in early May of 1824. They traveled up the Missouri River to Council Bluffs. Okay, up the Missouri River to Council Bluffs. Then they turned west and went along the Platte River. Along this river, Beckwourth killed a buffalo, but he didn't know what it was until somebody told him. Since all the men were hungry, they were delighted in his hunting skills. Oh, thank you, I was so hungry. The men went west on the Platte River to where it branched. That means it goes in different directions. Then they took the South Platte River. At the end of that river, some of their horses were stolen. Oh no. But they went on to the Green River just above Henry's Fork. They followed the Green River to Sandy Creek. Then they followed the Sandy Creek to the Big Horn River. When the Big Horn River flowed into the Yellowstone River, they followed the Yellowstone River to the Missouri. Then they went by the Missouri all the way back to St. Louis. Okay, here we go, explorers, in your hats, and your gingham face cover warmy things. Mine's really soft. Okay, St. Louis to Council Bluff. St. Louis along the Missouri River in green to Council Bluffs. From Council Bluffs, they followed the Platte River. This is different from last time. They followed the Platte River to where it branches. And then they took the South Platte River. Hope you can find it. And they follow the South Platte River all the way, whoa, to Henry's Fork, right? Yeah. They went on to the Green River just above Henry's Fork. Oh, I crossed it on my, anyways. They followed the Green River to Sandy Creek. Then they followed Sandy Creek to the Big Horn River. And when the Big Horn River flowed into the Yellowstone, they followed the Yellowstone all the way to the Missouri River, and then they followed the Missouri River all the way back to St. Louis. Woo! That's a different trail right there. That's a different trail right there. I'm going to go over it again in green so it's nice and bright so you can see what I have done. Ooh, shalale. I want you to do this yourself and see if you match mine. Bushkabale, bushkabale. Following the river, the river, the river, following the river wherever it may go. Ta-dum, teddy, teddy-lee-dum-de-day, ta-dum, teddy, teddy-lee-dum-de-day. We're following the river, the river, the river, following the river wherever it may go. All the way back to St. Louis. Okay, here she goes. Coloring it in. Tu-tu-ta, pu-pa-pa, tuku-tuku-tuku-tuku-tuku-pa-ka. Tuku-pa-ka, tuku-pa-ka, yeah. The big reveal. Whoa! Do you see that? Looks like somebody was a bit brave. Yes, yes. Okay, I hope your green map looks like this map. All right, take a good look. It's gonna go right there. Does your map look like this map? I hope so, because you're smart and you listen very well. And you read very well. So take a look. They started in St. Louis. They followed the Missouri River to the Platte River. And then they followed along the Platte River to where it forks. And they did the South Platte River all the way and followed it to Henry's Fork. You see this? See what that says? Henry's Fork. And then they followed Henry's Fork to Sandy Creek. Yeah? And then they followed Sandy Creek up to the Big Horn River. And then they followed the river to where it joins with the Yellowstone. Okay, and then they followed that. And if you